What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I hope everyone's having a good weekend. This video is going to be an update on Time Wonderland. Now, as you could see, the price has been falling for quite some time now. Basically 2 months. Just continues to keep falling, and everyone wants to know why that is and what's in store for the project, as there seems to be a lot of FUD and misinformation going around. This seems to be very common when prices are falling in crypto, unfortunately. Hopefully this video can help dispel any of that misinformation and give you a good idea of what's in store for Time Wonderland with its recent updates. So first of all, don't worry. As of right now, this project is not going to zero. All right, at least not yet. The treasury is still growing as we speak. Even in this downtrend, all seems to be well, looking at it from that point of view. The entire market is just basically correcting as well, right? We've been in this downswing for quite some time now with BTC. And usually when Bitcoin's falling, you can't really expect other coins to follow now. Like, as you can see, everything's in red. So we shouldn't be too surprised right now. If Bitcoin was moving up closer to back to its all-time highs and Wonderland was falling over 70% of its all-time high, then yeah, then you could be kind of worried. So there's that. And with the next update, they just announced here in this planting seeds blog post, the DAO has successfully invested in a decentralized crypto betting platform called BetSwap, or BetSwap DG for the official domain. The DAO has invested approximately $18 million in a private round, which is typically reserved for VCs. So in this case, the entire DAO is the VCs and everyone staked on it, and we're the main beneficiaries, right? So this is the BetSwap website, a decentralized sports betting platform, pretty much ready to launch. All right, guys. And BetSwap DG also has its own governance token, which is BSGG token, which I believe is also being airdropped to memo holders. All right, so that's something to look forward to. Things are getting fired up. All right, so that's the first endeavor. Exciting stuff. Now, the next update is to do with Daniele. He's recently announced that he's now on the Sushi team, also known as SushiSwap. For those of you guys who aren't too familiar with what Sushi is, it's one of the biggest decentralized exchanges available. This is their website. And as you can see on DeFi Llama, when you go to DEXs, in total value locked, it's the third largest decentralized exchange right after Uniswap, all right? It's also multi-chain and supports the most chains. And that's pretty exciting stuff to know that Daniele's now on the team. Now, this likely has something to do with Wonderland recently announcing that they're going multi-chain as well. Previously, as you guys know, you were only able to get time on Trader Joe. And Trader Joe, guys, is exclusively on the Avalanche protocol, right? The Avalanche mainnet. Sushi has support over all these chains, as you can see. So that, in theory, should give more exposure to time. You can go to SushiSwap right now, even, and you can even see, you can provide liquidity, AVAX and time, or even other coins on the AVAX mainnet. Pretty good stuff. Not just time, but you can see all the other projects that Daniele is part of available there, as well as wrapped memo. Yep. And this will give you fees on the trading that occurs for these pairs if you were to provide that liquidity. So that's already happening there. Pretty exciting stuff. All right. And the second update is that Daniele is working closely with the team behind Fantom, specifically Andre. No one really knows what exactly is coming, other than that they're working on a token on Fantom and that they have publicly shared some projections regarding token distribution, which you can see over here, that 100% of the tokens are being allocated to the community. So that's basically probably another potential airdrop happening for those involved in Wonderland Time. All right, so that's it for the most recent updates. I wouldn't worry too much about the price falling. As long as BTC is falling, I'm not too worried. I'm more so looking at this as an opportunity to buy the dip. All right, guys, and obviously don't invest more than you could afford to lose. And none of this is financial advice. With that being said, guys, that's it for the updates. I thought with the amount of updates with Time Wonderland in just a few days into the new year, I thought it deserved a video. So thanks for tuning in, and until next time, cheers.